Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw ice cream, soft drinks, and donuts. Let's start drawing. First, I draw a soft drink cup, starting with a straw. Then, I draw a cup lid like this. I continue to draw this part. Next to it, I draw ice cream cup. First, I draw a cup like this. Then, I draw ice cream. This ice cream has 2 chunks of cream. To make this ice cream more lively, I draw a cute face for it. Finally, I draw a donut. I draw a circle right here. Then I draw cute faces for them. I draw Nuggets candies on the cream and the donut. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use brown to paint this straw. I also color a soft drink cup brown. I use gray to paint these parts. Light brown. For this chunk of cream, I use light purple to paint. I use yellow to paint this cream below. Then I color this cup orange. And I color this part of the donut orange too. Green. Then I use colors of the rainbow to paint these Nuggets candies. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.